good confidence level. Please tell me about yourself briefly.
Okay. So my name is Nisha. I born and raised in the heart of nation, Delhi. I have completed my schooling from CBSE board in Delhi itself. Further, I have done my graduation in Bachelor's of Commerce from University of Delhi. Currently, I am pursuing PGDM in Marketing and Finance from Jaipuriya School of Business, Ghaziabad. And also, I have done various certification course to enhance my knowledge in my domain area. For example, NISM CD5A and Design Thinking and Innovation by Untangled, and also Microsoft Excel. Talking about my summer internship, I have done my summer internship at NJ Wealth, and I worked as a relationship manager there, where I have to meet client and convert them into mutual fund advisors. And also I have to manage the application forms and also resolve the query of my client. And I received award of appreciation for my work as well in my internship. And talking about my strength, my extrovert personality and confidence is my strength. And my hobby is I love to clicking pictures of things around me. Thank you, sir. It is all about me.
I think we met yesterday only, correct?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I have not seen you in over the camera, but I remember all the points. Good. Now let me ask something different. You were working in NG Wealth as, say, as a coordinator for enlisting people for uh, mutual funds, correct?
Yes, sir.
So can you elaborate? I don't know whether I asked you last time. What is a mutual fund? Which
Sir,
mutual funds are performing now in India?
okay. So mutual fund is basically a fund in which various investors' money is invested. Here the main person is a portfolio manager who collect the money from the various investors who have the similar object or similar goal of investment, and pool that and then invest that investment in various and multiple financial products. So and the return which is generated, they distribute that return to the investors. It is a mutual fund. And the mutual fund is performing right now is Aditya Birla Sun Life and ICCI Prudential and also Franklin and
Templeton.
Frank.
Have you heard about Canara Robeco? Because when I go through Economic Times, they always tell more good about Canara Robeco like that.
No,
Please
sir.
go through that also. Just check it up. Canara Robeco. And yeah, that's good. So this is mutual fund. Now, what is the connection between bank and a mutual fund? In what way bank is connected with mutual funds?
Sir, bank like if we take the example of Federal Bank, they are do para banking in which they offer the mutual fund to their customers. By this, they can earn a extra income to their banking, they can earn extra income for their bank. Like if they offer, also they are also building the investment and building the investment of their customer, like by being a coordinator between their customer and AMC, the mutual fund agencies. So they can earn a commission, also. And also they can build their customer portfolio in a good manner.
Actually, you struggled hard to tell this point. Instead, you could have told easily that banks are agents of mutual funds. They try to canvas people for investment in mutual funds from the database they have with themselves, in which case they get commission for the amounts invested. It is a non-fund based income. It is one of the non-fund based income. This one, apart from that, LIC agency, general insurance agency commission charges, then wealth management advisory charges. Perhaps you may not know what is wealth management. Wealth management means banks will be giving suggestions to high net worth individuals,
Okay.
those people who have investment of 30 lakhs and above. giving suggestions to them for investment in various products and collect commission amount for the suggestions being given. That is known as wealth management advisory charges. It depending on the age of the client and depending on the risk taking ability of the client, they will be giving suggestions. Good. For you, slightly twisted questions may be there because you are from finance and also marketing. Na? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Whereas today's interview, I think you must have seen the questions that I have posted. They have not asked tough questions, very simple questions they have asked. Who is the RBI governor?
Sir, RBI Governor is, sir,
Sudden,
I have not.
out of fear, you forgot, or you have not. Have you not studied this? Must have studied
Sir,
this.
I have seen that video, but I forgot the name. I need to
Mr.
write it.
Shakti Kanta Das.
Mr. Shaktikant Das.
And RBI has got how many deputy governors? Perhaps you don't know. The answer is 4.
Okay.
First one is that Mr. Rajeshwar Rao.
Okay.
Mr. Rajeshwar Rao. Then Mr. T. Rabi Shankar, RABI. I don't know how they pronounce Rabi Shankar or Rabi Shankar. Then my MD Patro. MD Patro. Then new person who has joined is Swaminathan Janakiraman. Yes, Janakiraman. Now, of these, one person is DICGC chairman. Who is he? Perhaps you don't know.
No, sir.
The answer is MD Patro.
Okay, sir.
And what is DICGC? Are you aware of that?
Sir, sorry, sir.
Are you aware what is DICGC? You have
No,
not.
sir.
It's a very important thing. Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation.
Okay.
Deposit Insurance Credit
Credit
Guarantee
Guarantee
Corporation.
Corporation.
It is one of the subsidiaries of RBI.
Okay,
So
sir.
what the function they do is they give guarantee to the scheduled bank depositors up to an extent of rupees 5 lakh per individual in a bank. In every bank, not every branch, every bank, every individual, the first name of the deposit up to rupees 5 lakh guarantee is given, so that in case the bank goes in liquidation, the person will get up to 5 lakhs.
Okay.
One may have 10 lakhs deposit in X bank, which is going on liquidation. Then with that case, he will get only 5 lakhs.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is right. So this is DICGC. And for giving this guarantee coverage, DICGC is charging every year 12 paise per
12
rupee.
paise.
12 paise per rupees 100.
Rupees 100.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
This is what the amount they collect from the. They will take the commission from the bank. Customers are not paying the commission. Okay, fine. So 2 new points I have told you. I think you may not be able to answer this question also. What are the functions of RBI?
So RBI has the various function. It is a banker of bank. It is a lender of last resort. It also give uh, it also perform various monetary activities in the country, and also note printing work is done by RBI, and um, uh,
Your answer is 50% correct. Reserve Bank is bankers to bank, bankers to government,
bankers to government.
note issuing authority, not printing authority, note
Okay.
issuing
Issuing
authority,
authority.
controller of foreign exchange,
Okay.
then monetary policy controlling authority. You should not say they do many functions, monetary function and all. They are the monetary policy controlling authority. They
Okay.
have Monetary Policy Committee, which meet once in 2 months. Normally, they are supposed to meet once in 4 times in a year. Nowadays, because of this inflation, they are meeting once in 2 months.
Okay.
Okay. What is the inflation rate in our country in December based on newspaper reports? I will give you two choices. One is 4.5%. The other is 5.69%, which is correct.
Sir, it will be 5.6% because
5.69.
the
5.69.
yes, a
It was
recent report.
previously in the month of November, it was 5.57.
Yeah, and also recent report, the estimation of various report is said the inflation rate of this year will be 6 point something.
Oh, I have not seen that, doesn't it? Good. Now, do you read newspapers?
So not on daily basis, but because the preparation of for federal, I am reading the newspaper.
You should not tell honestly like this in the interview. You
Yeah,
should smile and say, yes, sir, I read Hindu, I read Statesman, something, any one paper you tell.
Economics Times.
Okay, I read Economic Times. Okay, right. What did you read in the last few days? They are asking like this. Please tell 5 current affair news in the last 1 week.
Sir, I have read the
Anything.
news of.
It need not be only from Economic Times. It can be from anywhere.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have read the news of HDFC Bank that they have issued more than 1.6 million uh, million credit card this year. It is the highest credit
In
card
this
saving.
year or totally?
Sir, it is the highest in this year, I
True.
guess.
Acha, acha, I
Total,
don't know.
maybe
One,
I'm not. I
please check
need
it
to
up.
reconfirm this.
Check it up. 1.6 million means 16 lakhs. हो सकता है. हो सकता है फिर भी आप चेकअप कर लीजिए.
And also, I have read the news of Federal Bank that the quarterly report is printed by the bank company, and the then report shows a good growth of the bank. And also, I have read the news of that Sham Srinivasan is in the report in a new article said that with the help of fintech they open in a daily basis 20,000 digital account
Hmm.
and
Good point.
sir, I
You can
have
also tell about
Ayodhya. Yeah,
Ayodhya. Must
yeah,
tell. You must tell.
yeah.
Ayodhya. And not only that, today after that one news has come. Pradhan Mantri Suryodaya Yojana.
Yes, Surya, solar
हम्म,
panel.
उसका
uh,
बारे में अच्छा से पढ़ो जी. पढ़ के बोल दो. और मेरा करंट अफेयर स्निपेट्स हम रोज शेयर करता हूँ, जिसमें से you please go through the economic angle, banking angle, and also politics angle and all that. Who is the finance minister of Delhi? This
the
question they
finance
are
minister of Delhi.
hmm,
uh,
they are asking for every state. They will ask for you also.
so Atish something is the name.
I don't know. If you
So
better
it
get
is
to know that.
Atish. The full name is not given on the website. The Atish is there.
Very good. So another question they have asked today is, what is the CAR of Federal Bank?
CAR of Federal Bank.
It
So
is
don't know,
given.
sir.
It is I have already given in the page, na, in the year 2023 interview questions. That file I have given. Year 2023 Federal Bank interview questions. Yeah, this one. And before going, for my sake, please read all this once again. Please read Federal Bank announced. Or sorry, I have not shared. I am very sorry. I have not shared it. Please read this.
Okay, sir.
Please read
Federal
Federal. Hmm.
Federal Bank announced that the financial result for the quarter ended 31st December 2023. The
Hmm.
key highlights of the result on a year-on-year basis are as follows. Total business of bank reached 4.39 lakh crore. Net profit highest ever at rupees 1006 crore. Operating profit at rupees 1437 crore. ROA for quarter 3 stood at 1.39% and ROE stood at 14.80%. GNPA and NNPA at 2.29% and 0.64% respectively. Total deposit rupees 2.39 lakh crore. Net total net advances is 2 lakh crore. Highest ever net interest income at 2,123 crore. Federal Bank share price as on 19 January 2014 is
One minute. Let me take today's price. Let us know latest share price of Federal Bank. Why you? It has come down.
yes sir.
140.20. You know it has come down, or you are seeing now only?
So now only sir.
It has come down by 6 rupees. Ure Baba. 3341.3.
Yes sir, it is minus 5.3 paise.
Yeah.
35.
341.30 billion. Please read from here. Highest
Okay.
never. Then Federal Bank share price. 1 minute. As on. Let us know the latest 23. Yeah, tell me.
The Federal Bank share price as on 23 January 2024 is 140.20 rupees. Market capitalization is 341.30 billion. Tangible net worth is tangible net worth is rupees 28,080 crore and share capital is 484 crore and CARA is 15.02%. Market risk weighted asset ratio.
Because you are a finance student, I can ask some tricky questions out of this. For example, what is the difference you did not answer me? This may be new for you. Please prepare. What is the difference between net profit and operating profit? What is a return on assets? What is a return on equity? What is gross NPA, NNPA, how this is arrived? Then what is market capitalization, how it is calculated? Then what is CRAR, how it is calculated? Like this type of questions are permissible or expectable for finance students. It is not difficult. Just go to Google and search. You will get some answer. Make a short answer out of them. Do you follow? In the routine course, they are not asking this much tough questions. They are asking only HR related questions like what are the leadership styles you have demonstrated during your college days? Why should we select you? What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What makes you think you are suitable for this post? Do you know the job role of this post? Like these questions only they ask. Tell us about your family. What is your father?
So my father is a businessman. He is in retail shop. He owns a retail shop in the local market of Delhi.
Sir, you mean textile shop?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good, good. So that way they will be asking questions relating to your family, your daddy, your mother, your brother, sister, etc. And are you willing to be posted anywhere in India? Answer me. Or you will ask for Delhi.
No, sir, I am ready to relocate in Pan India.
Acha. Supposing we post you to Guwahati.
Guwahati.
Where is Guwahati?
Sir,
Guwahati.
no idea, sir.
It is in Assam.
Okay.
Supposing we post you to Trivandrum. Where is Trivandrum?
Trivandrum, sir, is in Kerala, Tamil Nadu.
Capital of Kerala.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Please tell me who is the Chief Minister of Kerala,
Chief Minister of Kerala.
Pinarayi Vijayan. You are going for Kerala Bank. So you must start liking Kerala. You must start liking Malayalam. You must start liking that big banana and all that. Just joking. But right, you be ready. And even if you get appointment, you will get the appointment only after your degree, say in the next year only. That's right. Now, Pinarayi Vijayan, this and all okay. Now, what I can ask you is, at random, choose one page number, any page of your choice, 1 to 246.
1 to 246 is I will choose 126.
I am 126. This is very tough. G8 countries and all. Probably now it may not be relevant, but आपको तकलीफ पे जाता है. अरे पूरा इसका अंदर में जो है इसमें से कुछ भी हमको पता नहीं. हाँ, what are G7 countries?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
I also don't. Choose another number.
Sir, starting at 10.
That is more good because that is there. Those are reason questions. Those are reason questions. Now, 10 page number 10. This is 11. What is digitalization?
Sir, digitalization is also digitalization in bank or something.
Digitalization of banking services
Okay, sir, is it digitalization referred to providing your service online to your customer,
to our customers. Start telling,
our
not your
customer?
our customer. Good. And you can explain like online internet banking, mobile banking, WhatsApp banking, missed call banking, FASTag, all these things. Okay,
Okay,
you
sir.
can tell like that. For you, you are getting tough questions only. I don't know why. Something which has inspires you in Federal Bank.
So, um, the first thing that it is they have received the best place to work for women in 2023, and also it is a growing bank which is trusted, and it is one of the oldest bank, and also it is unique bank because it focus more on the customer centric approach. They also follow that रिश्ता आप से है सिर्फ ऐप से नहीं, and also all of these is something which is something unique, and I want to join Federal Bank because of this uniqueness.
You can also tell about the 10th greatest place to work for women, 10th greatest place. Some award they have got.
Oh, okay.
And some Millennium Award, 60th greatest place. You please go through the awards of Federal Bank.
Okay, sir.
Good. Now, I'm not asking you to answer now. Perhaps you would not have prepared some special products of Federal Bank.
Special product
Like
like sir,
Federal
gold loan is there,
Federal Light,
Federal Light.
that is opening of account online. You only told me that they are opening so many thousands of
20,000.
accounts. Yeah. This question is also favorite question of our
Favorite product.
Federal Bank people. Repo rate. What is repo rate?
Repo rate is a rate on which bank take loan from RBI
For short term, 14
for
days,
short
up to
term
14.
needs. Yes,
What
sir.
is the present repo rate?
Sir, it is 6 point something.
6.5.
6.5.
No. The reason why you have forgotten how is because some tough questions were put in between. So that made your mind blank. Don't lose. Your performance is decided not based on one or two questions answers for which you are not given. Even if you answer 70% questions confidently, you will be selected. Based on this interview, I will select you because you were very confident, you were very clear in your answers. So, but I had to ask somewhere away from that because mine is a second interview. I can't repeat yesterday's questions again. That is the reasons. Now, but unfortunately for you, all the questions are tough questions. I suggest you prepare yourself. New technologies in banking. If you want to promote a product of federal, how will you do it?
So I would,
Can you try this? Try. Answer
yes,
this.
sir. If you want to promote new product, sir, I first of all I will do the cross selling of the product. Like if any customer is coming to the bank, I will first of all ask cross sell the product, and also I can do like um, digital promo. I will aware the product digitally, and also um,
You told nicely that is, I will do cross selling with existing customers. Number two, I will use the reference to my relatives and friends through my through my social websites. And I will also visit door to door canvassing nearby the branch for spreading about the product and try to canvass for new customers. Okay.
yes, sir.
This is how it has to be. You did very well. Don't, but your face has become very small after you are not answering one or two questions. It should not be so. You should smile like this. You will get. Okay.
Yes, sir,
Best.
I have some sir question that
Yeah.
how should
But
I answer that question? Like, why MBA in marketing and finance? If they ask, like,
why MBA in marketing and no, your major is only finance, no? Or
it's
both
a
are equal.
marketing and finance.
Both
Like, we have the dual specialization. Both are in core.
equal. Yeah.
Hmm.
So you can say marketing and banking finance specialization is helpful because marketing helps one to develop communication skill and also be in the limelight. Because in the case of banks, major aspect of service is marketing, and that is why I chose that. Plus, financial knowledge will be helpful for me in processing the proposals for loans, etc. So that is why I chose this. And the job opportunities for these two areas are brighter than other areas in MBA. That you should tell not because I told you, but because you believe in it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next question.
And sir, if they ask me that why don't you want to join your father's business, then
Good question. My father's, what is the turnover of your father's business? It is 1 minute. I will not record it.